Hey guys, it's your girl Carmise. Welcome back to my channel. Anyways, you guys, it is super duper packed here. Like the place that I'm actually going to, I could not find no parking, so I had to park way like behind the freaking building. So I'm gonna have to walk around, walk to Playable. Anyways, you guys, I accepted an order at Playable's going for $10.75, 8.3 miles. It's dump brick outside, so yeah, I'm gonna put on my hood, zip up my jacket, and get to going because I'm pretty late, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I was supposed to have been pick up that order, baby. Anyways, you guys, I'm about to get going. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure you guys turn post notifications so you find every single time you go over her videos. Stefan. Alright, you guys, got the order for Stefan. It is dump brick outside. Anyways, you guys, I'm about to head over to my customer. It's a contactless delivery. They're 16 minutes away, and yeah, I'm getting there on time, so that's good. I was in Jersey for a little bit and it was not that active, honestly, so I just decided to come back over here. And yeah, I got me some food from Wegmans while I was out there, but that's all I did, y'all. So this is the bag right here. I got a to-go order, so got me a pizza, got fries. All I got, y'all. That's all I'm eating. Anyways, you guys, I'm currently here at BJ's. I accepted an order going for $6.75, 1.2 miles. And yes, you guys, my customer items are unknown. I have no idea what they got. This is a delivery requested by a merchant. We don't know the exact items. Anyways, you guys, I'm about to head inside. I'm picking up for Jean. Let's see if the order's ready. I'm picking up for Jean.
I'm sorry.
Jean? Yeah. Alright, you guys, we got the order for Jean. A bag of food and a bag of ice cream, apparently. So I'm gonna put everything into my DoorDash bag. Alright, you guys, I'm heading over to my customer. It's a hand it to customer delivery, and I'm 4 minutes away. I'm good, how are you?
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Have a great night.
Thank you, you too. Alright, you guys, I'm doing my next order at Shake Shack. I accepted an order going for $11.25, 6.4 miles. And yes, you guys, my customer wants 12 items. Chicken Shack, 2 fries, cheese fries, bacon cheese fries, avocado bacon chicken, 3 Shack burgers, Smoke Shack, cheeseburger, Christmas cookie. And yes, you guys, that is a whole lot of food. I'm about to head inside to pick up my order. Excuse me. Alright, you guys, we got the order for Darla. That shake is melted, baby. Very melted, I'm not gonna lie. Melted milkshake with some sprinkles on top. But anyways, you guys, I got this big old bag of Shake Shack. Everything is in here. This bag is pretty heavy, I'm not gonna lie. Anyways, you guys, I'm heading over to my customer. It's a contactless delivery, and I am 12 minutes away. Alright you guys, I ended up in Jersey for my last delivery. I'm currently here at the Habit Burger Grill. I accepted an order going for $8.75, 4.9 miles. And yes you guys, I also decided to accept this order at Chopped Creative Salad going for $7, 744.8 feet. Anyways you guys, I'm about to head and set into the Habit Burger Grill and pick up my order for Daniel. And yeah. Yeah, for Daniel. Alright you guys, got the order for David and I got the bottle of water. I'm gonna put all this into the DoorDash bag and then I'm gonna head over to Chopped Creative Salad. It's literally right behind me, so I could have walked, but it's cold outside. Like it's really cold, so I'm not gonna walk over there. I'm just gonna park up in front of the restaurant and pick up my order for David. And yes you guys, so hopefully that order is ready as well. And yeah, I'm gonna walk in right now. Alright you guys, we got the order for David already ready by the pickup time. Absolutely amazing. Just gonna set that aside. Alright you guys, I'm heading over to the first customer from the Habit Burger Grill. They're 9 minutes away, contactless delivery. Oh, I forgot the water. I'm weak. My back felt a little heavy. I'm like, something else in here. Alright you guys, put the order by the garage door like the app. Second customer is 2 minutes away, contactless delivery. Alright you guys, I left Jersey. It was super duper slow, so I decided to come back to my area. And on my way back, I decided to accept an order at Chocho-san Sushi and Hibachi going for $10.25, 6.3 miles. And yes you guys, I'm picking up for Susan and let's go get the order. Picking up for Susan.
Yes. Shrimp tempura. Let me go ask about it. I've been waiting for the shrimp tempura for a long time. But that's the only item.
Alright. Woo! Alright y'all, I literally got this order like almost 30 minutes after the pickup time. Y'all probably looking at me like, girl, why did you cancel the order? I didn't cancel the order because I was in my car for majority of that 30 minutes. I was in my car, I'm not gonna lie. And when I actually went inside, the guy was like, oh, we're still waiting on the shrimp tempura. Like, that's been taking a while for the longest. And I'm like, what? I didn't even know all that was going on inside. Like, I was just chilling in my car, playing games on my phone. Because I already know how this restaurant is, especially on the weekends. So I wasn't really like dragging it. I wasn't really like rushing to go inside. Anyways, you guys, I'm heading over to my customer. I'm 9 minutes away. Contactless delivery. I'm good.
That's all less. Terrific. Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah.
Alright you guys, I just made it to Chili's. It's currently 9:37. I'm probably gonna do one more order after this. Probably not, who knows, but It's starting to slow down a little bit, but I'm on my next order, you guys. I'm currently here at Chili's. I accepted an order going for $10.50, 8.4 miles. And yes, you guys, I'm about to head inside. I'm picking up for Garrett. My order should be ready. Hello. Yes,
What's the name?
Garrett.
Garrett? Right there.
You too. Alright, you guys, we got the order for Garrett. All ready by the pick of time. Absolutely amazing. Hopefully I get another order from Chili's because seems like they on their shit today, baby. Anyways, you guys, I'm about to head over to my customer. They're 12 minutes away. Contactless delivery. Alright, you guys, I am back at Chili's. I accepted an order going for $8.25, 6.4 miles. And yes, you guys, I'm picking up for Christina. I'm about to head inside. I'm picking up for Christina. Alright, you guys, we got the order for Christina. Already ready by the pickup time. Absolutely amazing. They are on a roll tonight, y'all. Anyways, you guys, I am 16 minutes away from my customer. Contactless delivery. And yeah, I've been a little deep, but it's probably gonna be my last delivery, honestly, because it's pretty slow and I'm just tired.